welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Stop It Slender. And hi Logan. Oh. Logan?
What?
What's up, dude?
What do
You can also watch the round if we want to. Right
I'm
here.
blind. I can't see anything. I can just see your name tag.
Yeah.
I see a person's head.
Well, what
Say
this
hello,
main
Austin.
game's purpose is...
Say hello, Austin.
Hello.
No, I said say hello, Austin.
Yeah. Hello.
No. Try it on me so I can teach you how to do it.
Hello, Logan.
No. Say hello, Logan.
Hello, Logan.
No, oh my gosh.
Hello, Logan.
No, say it to me. Say it to me like I'm gonna say it, okay? So just say
Hello, Logan.
Hello, Logan.
Hello, Logan.
It's hello, Austin. If anyone says say hello, then your name, then say hello, then your name.
Or we can just say red.
No. Because trains don't have Tide Pods. Don't
Eat Tide Pods!
That's gonna be the major discussion of every single video until they die. So if you don't like talking about those, then you gotta try and stop Tide Pods, okay? Let's see, who's Slender?
Some guy.
Oh my
It
gosh,
is
this map is insane.
Disa 27.
Okay. Oh my god. Most of this map isn't even loaded in for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they only need to collect pages now. Oh, one girl's at 73%, and this guy, oh, he's losing! He's losing health! Run! Run, run, guy! Run! No, he's gonna die! He's gonna die! Oh, he's dead! Oh, no! Oh, no. Oh, no!
Did you know that foxes can eat watermelon?
Oh, this girl! Oh no! Oh, she's dead! Oh, the citizens are wiped out. Oh no. Disa, you got her. Okay. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video because I bet we will. I don't want to watch the remaining pages. Hello, sir. Why do they look exactly the same? They look exactly the same. Why do they look exactly the same? Disa and Almas is like the exact same thing. Okay, starting round. Let's see who's Slender.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Boom.
Let's do it, do it, do it. I'm a citizen.
And I'm totally a citizen. I'm totally a citizen. I am normal citizen.
What are you watching?
Nothing. You just closed Roblox, dude.
I'm sorry.
You are a bot.
Cinnamon fled the scene.
I love it when that happens. Easy points.
Yay! Oh no. Remaining pages. It said we're all dead. Help me. Whatever that thing is. I can't even see that one. Why can't I see anything? Can I see the remaining page? Oh, I can slightly see it. Oh, whoa. Slender wins? Red Reaper? Wait, how come he went? Red Reaper won. Oh, you're in, dude. You have to tell me who you are, or else I will come over there and punch you.
Trains are cool.
Oh, I'm a citizen. What are you?
I am not in the game. I'm
Why?
in the game, but I'm not in the round.
What? Why?
I don't know.
Citizen must collect all pages and avoid slender. Oh, there's a page. Got it. Well, since Logan's not going to be here, you just have to hang with me. Your boy, Austin. Oh, no! Slender! Spam, 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 spam! Spam, 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 spam! Ah! Oh, no! No, 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 no. I don't like this. I don't like this. Hey dude, what's up?
Hello.
What are you doing? Are you?
I am staring at toys because I don't care anymore.
So you guys, I just...
Austin, guess what? Tag, you're it.
Tag, you're it.
You never even touched it. Ah!
What?
You're still it.
No.
You never even tagged me.
No. No. Now I tagged you.
No, you're not even close to me.
Yes, I am.
Wait, you can buy stuff with pages, dude.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Ooh, I need 50 pages. Because then I can see in the dark.
How do you buy stuff with pages?
Ooh, 10 times proxy chance. Oh, whoa! Oh, Austin, I'm gonna buy something. So what it does is after every single generator is on, I can see where all the pages are. That's cool.
Raise chance. That's the exact number of Robux. 45 Robux. That's the exact number of Robux I have. Aren't you gonna move? Huh? 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 Move. Dollar, 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 dollar. Dollar, 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 la 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 la. Buy loot box. Get a loot box. Boxing. What am I gonna get? Ooh! There we go. Dude, I got a new mask.
What kind of mask?
I got it from a loot box.
Where?
It's in the store. I bought it with Robux. Box.
Are you Slender?
Nope, I'm Citizen. Ooh, that would be really scary. I'm just gonna spend all my Robux on these loot boxes.
On what?
Actually, know what? Now.
Okay, so we need to turn on all 3 generators, because then I can see where all the pages are, no matter where I am.
Nice, okay. I know that some generators are around here, so let's go. Don't generators have like a red light around them so you can see them?
Not through walls, but yes, they do.
What?
Oh crap, there was a proxy. Dude, I see a proxy. There
Proxy?
was a proxy.
Oh, dude. Oh, you see proxies? I'm right next to you.
There was a proxy down that hallway.
Come on, let's go.
Oh no, I hear ghostly. Austin, please!
What?
Come here!
What's up, dude? What's up? What's up?
Slender or a proxy is down this hallway.
Then let's not go down the hallway.
Okay, let's go this way.
You go in first.
Yes, I see a generator. Crap, proxy! I see a proxy.
Oh, proxy! Proxy!
Look away!
Look away! Look away! Look away!
Go.
Look away! Look away!
Go.
Oh, proxy!
Austin, I'm going in the maze. I'm going in the
Oh,
maze.
oh no! Oh no! No! I just saw Cylinder. I just saw Cylinder. Oh
Yes,
no!
I found a generator. I found a generator, Austin.
Yeah, I'm getting a generator. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! 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 Oh no! No! No!
Alright,
Oh no! 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 No!
Austin, I see the pages. I see where all the pages are.
You do?
Yes. That's what I bought. I bought it so I can see where they are.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
So
That's
there's
good.
a page over here.
Dude! I'm stuck! I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm so 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 dead!
Wait, I can turn off my flashlight now. Okay, good. I can turn off my flashlight so the proxies can't see me. And then I can just go find the pages. I think Slender detects you with flashlights. Okay, yes. Okay, good. There's a page right here. There's 4 more pages.